Which is the best and which is the worst budget minimalist wallet out there? If you're new to my channel is all about helping you get the most out of your money. So in this video, I'll be reviewing 10 wallets that are all under $30. I'll be rating each wallet based on its quality, its functionality, and overall value. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna tally up all the scores and we'll find out which wallet is the best and which wallet is the worst. So keep watching. First wallet is from Rossm. I have 4 different colorways. I have Rose Gold, Forged Pacific, Forged Ember, and Carbon Fiber. It retails for $30. It weighs in at 62 grams and has a thickness of about 11 millimeters. The Rose Gold is made from aluminum, and the other 3 are made from carbon fiber and carbon forged. I love the unique colorway of each wallet, especially the Forged Ember and Pacific. The subtle pop of color really makes this stand out. If you check out their website, they have so many different colors to choose from, so it won't be hard finding one that you like. How this wallet works, you simply slip in your cards between the 2 metal plates, and to access your cards, it has a cutout where you push with your thumb, and then you can easily pull your card out. There's an elastic band or money clip to store your cash. This wallet can hold up to 12 cards and 10 cash bills. With each wallet, Rossm provides a money clip and elastic strap, which is very generous. There's also a repair kit that includes a screwdriver and 6 extra screws. With the screwdriver, you can easily take apart the wallet and install the money clip. With slim profile, you can barely tell that's in your pockets. Rossm's minimalist design is one of the best in the market today. Now time to give this wallet a rating. For its quality, I'll give it an 8. For its functionality, I'll give it a 9. For its value, I'll give it a 10. Overall, for $30, this wallet would not disappoint. That brings the total score to 27. Let's see if the next one can top this. The next wallet I have is from Vulkit. It is in a wine colorway and it retails for only $17. It weighs in at 64 grams and has a thickness of 12.5 millimeters. This is basically a budget extra wallet. It is made from aluminum, but it doesn't state what kind of aluminum alloy on their website, but it feels like a 1000 series aluminum, which is typically used in metal water bottles and is 3 times weaker than the 6061 aluminum used in the extra wallets. This wallet features a trigger that fans out your cards. It holds up to 6 cards in the slot. The trigger isn't as smooth as I like, and you do have to give it a bit of force to activate the trigger. It's also in an awkward position where you need both hands to activate the trigger compared to extra wallet where you only use one hand. Wallet also features an elastic pouch where you can keep your cash or your most used cards for quicker access. Here's how the wallet looks in my pocket. With this slim design, it makes this barely noticeable and you can barely feel it. Now time to give this wallet a rating. For its quality, I'll give it a 6. This is made from cheap materials and you can tell right away. For its functionality, I'll give it an 8. For its value, I'll give it a 10. For only $17, do I really need to say more? That brings the total score to 24. Next wallet is from Serman Brands. It is in a Texas brown colorway and it retails for $30. It weighs in at 54 grams and the thickness measures to 14.67 millimeters. According to the website, this wallet is made from bonded leather, which is a mix of top grain, full grain, and fox leather. I noticed that the material does scratch very easily, but I do like that because it does build character and the material will age beautifully over time. The wallet features a quick access card slot with a push hole for your most used card. On the other side, you see a clear card slot for your ID. On the inside, there's another bonus card slot that you can pull the strap here to access your card. On the other end, there's 2 additional card slots. This wallet can hold a total of 8 cards. In the center, there's a really cool design that I've never seen before. This is a money clip. All you gotta do is pull this up and slide your bills through, then push this down to secure your cash. Overall, really unique design. Here's how the wallet looks in my pocket. This wallet is the 4th thickest out of 15, so that outline is slightly noticeable, but definitely not as noticeable as a traditional bifold wallet. Now time to give this wallet a rating. For its quality, I'll give it a 7. For its functionality, I'll give it a 10. For its value, I'll give it a 10. That brings the total score to 27, which ties for the highest rated wallet. Let's see if the next one can top this. Next wallet is from Vaultskin. This is their Manhattan wallet. The colorway is matte blue and it retails for $36. It weighs in at 36 grams and has a thickness of 6.84 millimeters. This wallet is made from very soft top grain leather and it feels more expensive than its actual price tag. There's 1 quick access card slot at the front for your most used card. On the inside, there's a total of 4 card slots, 2 on both the right and left side. These card slots can fit 2 cards each for a total of 8 cards. The design of the slot makes it very easy to access all your cards, especially the ones in the back. At the top is a cash pocket that fits US dollars perfectly. If you use British pounds or euros, then you gotta check out their City wallet. Since this is a bifold wallet, the thickness is about 7mm, so the outline is slightly noticeable in your pockets, but overall less noticeable than a traditional bifold wallet. Now time to give this wallet a rating. For its quality, I'll give it a 9. For its functionality, I'll give it a 9. For its value, I'll also give it a 9. Overall, this wallet is beautifully done. Its soft texture and minimalist design make this one of my favorite leather wallets. That brings the total score to 27, which ties for the highest rated wallet. Let's see if the next one can top this. Next wallet is from Vaultskin again. The colorway is Carmine Red and it retails for $27. It weighs in at 21 grams and has a thickness of 5.89mm. The wallet is made from top grain leather and it does feel very soft. The inner material of each card slot features a RFID blocking lining to keep your cards safe. This is an extremely minimalist wallet with only 3 card slots. At the front, it has a vertical card slot, and at the back, it has a horizontal card slot. There's also a card slot in the center with a pull tab that allows you to access your card. The wallet can hold up to a total of 8 cards. With its slim profile and soft leather, you can barely tell that anything is in your pants. An extremely simple and straightforward wallet. Now time to give the wallet a rating. For the quality, I'll give it an 8. For its functionality, I'll give it an 8. For its value, I'll also give it an 8. That brings the total score to 24. Just one quick message before we continue on with this video. If this video is helping you out so far, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out small content creators like myself and it really encourages me to keep putting out videos like this. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get back to the video. Next wallet is from Fidelo. It is in a black colorway and it retails for $20. It weighs in at 66 grams and has a thickness of 12.8mm. This wallet is made from top grain leather at the top half and nylon on the bottom half, and for the card slot, this is made from 6063 aluminum. First impression, the wallet is very wide. Not sure what the purpose of the wide design is for. The wallet features one card slot at the front and another card slot at the back. If you're not feeling the case, you can easily remove it and just use the card slot. Fidelo also gives you 4 additional elastic straps to hold your cash if you don't want to carry the case. You can hold up to 6 cards in the slot and has a trigger in the bottom to fan out the cards. First impression, the card slot is very uncomfortable to hold in your hands. You can see the edges are not chamfered or rounded, leaving a sharp edge. Because of that, I will keep it in the case at all times. The trigger is a bit stiff, but it does its job. Here's how the wallet looks in my pocket. Because of its wide and hard construction, the outline is very noticeable. Time to give this wallet a rating. For the quality, I'll give it a 7. For its functionality, I'll give it a 7. For its value, I'll give it an 8. That brings the total score to 22, making this the lowest scoring wallet so far. Let's see if the next one's any better. Next wallet is from Travando. The colorway is carbon and it retails for $24. It weighs in at 66 grams and has a thickness of 14.7mm. The material is made from fox leather, so it feels straight up like plastic. On the outside, it has one card slot with a push hole at the bottom that allows you to easily access your cards. On the inside, it has a total of 10 card slots, 5 on the left side and 5 on the right side. With its 11 card slots, this wallet can easily hold over 20 cards, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that thinks this is an overkill. On the right side, there's a metal money clip. Rather than a traditional pouch to store your cash, this money clip will keep your wallet slim. This wallet is a bit thick, so the outline of your pants is pretty noticeable. The size of this wallet is about the same as my traditional wallet. Now time to rate this wallet. For its quality, I'll give it a 6. The wallet feels extremely cheap. For its functionality, I'll give it a 7. For its value, I'll give it a 6. $25 is not a lot, but it feels like a $10 wallet. That brings the total score to 19. Next wallet I have is from Zitahli. This is in a carbon black-brown colorway. It retails for $25. It weighs in at 66 grams and thickness of 13.4mm. This wallet looks nearly identical to the Travando wallet that I just talked about earlier. That just shows that a lot of sellers on Amazon are dropshipping using the same factories from China but just rebranded. This is made from the same cheap fox leather. I do like the brown accent to make this wallet stand out. It has 2 card slots in the front and a push hole for quick access. On the inside, it has a total of 5 card slots on both right and left side for a total of 10 slots. There's also a money clip on the right side. There's a shot of how it looks on my chinos. This wallet is a bit thick, so the outline of your pants is pretty noticeable. The size of the wallet is about the same as my traditional wallet. The time to give this wallet a rating. For its quality, I'll give it a 5. The wallet feels really bad and you can quickly tell that this is made from very cheap material. For its functionality, I'll give it a 7. For its value, I'll give it a 6. That brings the total score to 18, making this the lowest rated wallet so far. Let's see if the next one's any better. Next wallet I have is from Travelambo. This is in a khaki deep colorway. It retails for $10. It weighs in at 19 grams and thickness of about 4.6 millimeters. This wallet is made from 100% cowhide leather, which is very surprising considering how affordable this wallet is. It has a total of 7 card slots. There's one see-through card slot for your ID. On the back, there's 3 more vertical card slots, and it has 3 pouch style slots for your cards or cash. Here's how it looks in my pockets. This leather material in the wallet does feel great. It's lightweight, thin, and a simple wallet that does its job. Now time to rate this wallet. For its quality, I'll give it an 8. Its functionality, I'll give it an 8. For its value, I'll give it a 9. That brings the total score to 25. Next wallet is from Nomatic, and this is their V2 model. The colorway is gray and it retails for $20. It weighs in at 15 grams and has a thickness of 9.2 millimeters. 99% of this wallet is made from elastic except for the pull tab, which is leather. This wallet reminds me of a sock, but for your cards. The main compartment can hold up to 15 cards. The cool thing about this design is that when you pull out your cards with the tab, the stretchy material allows you to fan out your cards to easily pick the one that you need. The wallet also has a hidden pocket where you can store your cash or coins. Here's how it looks in my pockets. Because of the material and thin profile, you can hardly feel or tell that's in your pocket. Now time to give this wallet a rating. For its quality, I'll give it an 8. For its functionality, I'll give it an 8. For its value, I'll give it a 9. That brings the total score to 25. Next wallet is from Muradin. This is in a Saffiano blue colorway. It retails for $30. It weighs in at 84 grams and has a thickness of 16.92 millimeters. The wallet is made from a top grain leather on the outside, and on the inside there's a leather card slot and an aluminum frame. There's one card slot on the outside for quick access. Right away I noticed the leather is very stiff and takes a bit of force to slide your cards in and out. On the other side is even worse because it features 10 screws to hold together the card slot, and you really need to push your card in with all your force. I assume this will soften up over time, but honestly I really don't want to deal with that. This card slot is literally unusable. On the inside there's a card slot for your ID, and this is also pretty stiff but not as bad. On the other side you have an aluminum frame to hold your cards. This frame has spring tabs on the side where it depresses when you slide your card in, and then springs back forward to lock your card in place. This cutout in the frame allows you to store some cash behind your cards. Overall, it can hold up to 12 cards and 5 bills. It also comes with an elastic band that you can slide onto your wallet, but honestly I think this band is useless and doesn't really serve a purpose. Here's how it looks in my pockets. This is the thickest out of all wallets. For a minimalist wallet, this is thicker than I would like, and compared to my traditional wallet, it's about the same thickness, so you'll see more of that outline. Now time to rate this wallet. For its quality, I give it an 8. For its functionality, I give it a 6. For its value, I give it a 7. That brings the total score to 21. And the last wallet I have is from Buffway. The colorway is called Alaska Brown. It retails for $15. It weighs in at 23 grams and thickness of about 4.34 millimeters. This wallet is made from 100% leather with a polyester lining. This leather feels very plastic. I'm having a hard time believing this is real leather, but then again for $15 can't really expect much. This wallet is very similar to the Travelambo wallet from earlier. It has a total of 8 card slots. At the front it has one see-through card slot for your ID, another slot at the top, and one vertical slot. On the other side there's 3 horizontal card slots and 1 vertical card slot. There's a push hole for quick access for your most used card. At the center is a pouch style card slot that you can store more cards or cash. Here's how it looks in my pockets. This is a lightweight and simple wallet that does its job. Now time to give this wallet a rating. For its quality I give it a 7. For its functionality I give it an 8. For its value I give it an 8. That brings the total score to 23. Tallying up the final scores, here are the top 3 best budget slim wallets on the market today: Serman Brands, Rossm, and Vaultskin. If you're looking for a wallet that has the best functionality and value, then Serman Brands is the winner. This is my favorite design wallet. It has all the features that you need while still maintaining a slim and minimalist design. If you're looking for a metal wallet with the best value, then Rossm is the winner. For only $30, you get a beautifully made wallet with sleek designs. The money clip and elastic that comes with each wallet makes this wallet even more worth it. If you're looking for the best all-around wallet that checks all the boxes, then Vaultskin Manhattan is a winner. This wallet has incredible leather quality considering its low price tag. The design is so simple yet does everything you need it to do. To summarize, here are my top 3 favorite budget wallets that you can't go wrong with any. Here are my next 4 favorite budget wallets. And here are the bottom 5 ranked wallets that I was very disappointed with. And that's it for this week's video. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite wallet. If you love minimalist wallets, click right here to check out my video on which brand makes the best minimalist wallets. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.